When it comes to efficient transportation, trucks and trailers are the backbone of our economy. But road transport is increasing, emissions are rising, and with trucks and trailers along with buses accounting for roughly 1/4 of all CO₂ emissions from road transport, cutting fuel consumption and thereby reducing emissions is essential for you to stay competitive and for a healthy planet. That's why the EU has introduced new regulations for vehicle manufacturers. These will mean cutting average CO₂ emissions from new heavy-duty vehicles by 15% by 2025, and even more in the near future. If manufacturers fail to comply, they will incur penalty payments for each vehicle. And while the current regulations primarily target truck manufacturers, further regulations that will affect fleet operators with trucks and trailers are expected before long. To ensure the reduction targets are met, the EU has developed a mandatory simulation tool called VECTO. With VECTO, vehicle manufacturers can simulate the CO₂ emissions and fuel consumption of individual vehicle configurations. As inputs, the tool uses a number of standardized parameters. Parameters such as simulated driving behavior, engine performance, aerodynamic drag, and the rolling resistance of the tires. This will provide greater transparency on the emissions and fuel consumption of different vehicle configurations and have a positive impact on the fuel efficiency of your entire fleet. When it comes to tires, rolling resistance is one of the main factors impacting on fuel costs, which can account for up to 21% of your total fleet driving costs. And while tire fuel efficiency is important when buying new truck tires, there are other equally important tire-related performance factors that depend very much on the mission profile of your fleet. The right tires for your business? We help you choose.